There's so many like things that can be classified as escapism. Like, obviously the biggest ones are like drugs and alcohol, but then like there's like video games and.
Wait, did you just say drugs? Dude?
I just said drugs. Ryan, throw some air horns in. Thank you.
Real
air horns, Ryan.
No, I don't want to put any real.
Come on, Ryan. I know it's more editing effort. Just put one in, please. Right here. Put it. Go. Thank you. I'm sorry. I see. Sorry for that, Ryan.
Wait, what? What were you saying? There was a jackhammer going on. I couldn't hear you.
Well, that's more editing. It's more work for yourself.
Jeez, I just can't. I can't fucking hear you, dude.
All right, bub.
Someone's gonna be listening to this podcast, falling asleep, and all of a sudden the sound of a fucking jackhammer is gonna be
like an air horn followed by a jackhammer.
Yeah, it's gonna be so confusing.